Hello, my friends. So, um, back on track here, as foretold, big bullish cards at the end of the day. And based on what I'm seeing now, tomorrow seems a bit clearer. I see us opening higher with a decline, a breakdown through, like, we test the resistance, and then we break down through a diagonal trend line, and volatility picks up on the way down towards the low, which is going to be like around, it's going to be in the midst of like back and forth trading, late morning, let's say. But I'll be selling my calls right at the open, and depending, well, if we open higher, I will likely sell my calls at the open. If we don't open higher, I'll have to re-game plan, but it's looking like we open higher. In which case, if I do sell my calls at the open, I'll be probably cost averaging down on some puts, which is really, you don't plan, when you do something like that, you don't plan on holding it very long at all. Like, it's just to catch like some of the loss back, because I definitely took a hit based on those puts. Glad that I bought those calls midday. It's important to know yourself and to know when you're being stubborn, because a good trader isn't right all the time. A good trader makes the right trade all the time. Right? Let me say it again. A good trader is not right all the time. Right? They admit when they're wrong, and they make a good trade all the time. Right? A good trade means, oh, I fucked up, now I have to fix it. Oh, I admit, like, this was bad. I got to just sell or something. If your plan is like completely off, you're best to step out and recalibrate the plan. So with that said, guys, looks like we're back on track here. Yeah, it looks like we had the Lovers card today really stretched out. It was like, geez. The Lovers card was like, from like 11 to 1 o'clock ish. And then we had the Ruin card come into play, followed by a rally higher, which offers an opportunity here for a trade. I'd say probably if I had bought my calls early in the morning, I'd probably be selling them here. Even though it may go higher, it's a good place to sell. And I do believe it's likely going to go higher. All right, well, that's where I'm at so far, guys. We got one more day before the week is over. It's a short week. I'll remind everybody, it's a short week. We've got Christmas on the 25th, so they basically give us the day off on the 24th. In which case, we'll be preparing for Monday, the 27th, tomorrow, placing our trades in accordingly. The reason why I haven't just closed out of these puts is because I'm collecting them. They seem to me to still be at a good price. I got them at a pretty decent price. And I did cost average down a bit here, but they're out far enough. They're on they expire on the 31st, so they're out far enough that I do believe, based on the monthly overview, that I'll catch that dip. There's going to be a sharp dip on Monday, either a gap down or a decline. Could be both, but more likely it looks to me like I guess it depends. When I see tomorrow where we're at as far as like price level, I'll be able to determine a lot better if it's a gap down or a gap up. I do know there's a sharp decline at the beginning of the day, and then it's also an opportunity to play both sides of the market. So As far as tomorrow is concerned, pre-market's going to be something unlikely is going to take place in the pre-market. Something improbable will take place in the pre-market. So I'm hoping that's like a big spike up followed by a sharp drop. So I could sell those calls and then, stack up on some puts and then get out of them really fast. All right, guys, that's where I'm at. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that stuff. And if you have any, any other stocks that you want to do, you can request that type of stuff on our website, tarotfortraders.com. We have private recurring, like we do monthly readings. We do all sorts of stuff. So you should go check it out. And also, guys, we're going to have the book. I know some of you are waiting on the book that we're awesome enough to pre-order. The book should be done before the end of the year. We're just touching up some of the last little bits to make it nice and complete, and then we'll send it out. So thanks for your patience and your support. I'm excited to say it's near the finish line. All right, guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.